Okay, here we are again, February 2024. It's the 8th, Thursday. And here comes maintenance, starting another big. So I had this all shoveled out yesterday, and maintenance, as the 2 feet snowed, maintenance piled it up right here. Again, as usual, didn't pile it up here, but sure as shooting, started piling up right next to my vehicle. This is so sweet of them to give me all the snow, because that makes it so much easier. Look how clean this is. Makes it so much easier to park when you have piles and piles of snow next to you. At least they didn't put it in front of my car, but they sure did put it next to my car. I got 1, 2 parking spaces. We got 3 parking spaces here. And they piled all the snow up here, which is unusual because there's a pile there where no one parks. There's a pile there where no one parks. There's 2 piles here where no one parks. Why does the maintenance pile it up here in these 3 parking spaces? Absolutely right smack dab up next to my car. It's like they're trying to make it difficult for the black woman to get into and out of her vehicle. So interesting. So very, very interesting that there were so many other options, and they piled it right here, right next to my car. Couldn't even put it 1 foot away from my car. I had shoveled this yesterday, and this right here is them starting to pile it up next to my car. You can see it. You can see where it starts piling into my car, and it's not just snow falling, because it's about 2 feet of snow, give or take. Give or take. A foot and a half. Foot. But they're piling it up right here. This needs to stop.